Hello kids, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to learn 1 2 3 counting. So sky blue color, orange color, light yellow color, red color, pink color, black color, dark blue color and brown color. Let's start. Red color. 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 5 5 6 6 blue color 7 7 8 8 9 9 10 10 11 11 12 12 brown color 13 13 14 14 15 15 16 16 17 17 18 18 pink color 19 19 20 20 21 21 22 22 23 23 24 24 orange color 25 25 26 26 27 27 28 28 29 29 30 sky blue color 31 31 32 32 33 33 34 34 35 so kids, what we learned today? We learned 1 to 35 counting. So kids, hope you like my video. So please don't forget like, share and subscribe my channel. We will see you next video with new topic. Till then, bye.